welcome to my channel, Budget for Success. Woo! And today we definitely have good vibes because I finished a bunch of savings challenges and now I'm gonna put that money into my sinking fund. So let's get started. Shoom! Okay, let's do some work here. Okay, first we want to pull all of the savings challenges we completed for Christmas. Allocating to savings challenges 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 2, 4, 6, 8, 90, 2, 4, 6, 8, 100. So that's 1,000. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, half, 8, half. So 85, 87, 88. All right, $1,088. Woo! I made a mistake. This $264 needs to come out of the Christmas money. I'm sorry. Guys, I got too excited. So 250, 64. Okay, so it's less 264. Okay. This money goes here because this challenge has nothing to do with Christmas. All right. Now, before we go too far, I want to put money in year ahead. I want to put $276 in year ahead. So 250, 275, 276. So $276 is going into year ahead. I will cash stuff that on another video. Okay, so that's going into year ahead. Now, the rest is going into these categories, and we're going to know where to put them based off of what we scratch off here. So let's go. 2 dice. And number 12. That helps us get through it faster. So 4 is getting a whammy. So that's $25. I was sitting there scratching like, where's the number? It's a whammy. Okay, so number 4 is the trust attorney. So the trust attorney gets $25. And then number 12 is the car. The car only gets $1. Oh, that's so funny. So I'll put $2 in for now because I don't have any dollars. Okay. All right, number 5 gets, that's health, gets $2. So we'll put $2 in health. I have no idea what these amounts are. And $4 in 12, which is the car. So that would be a total of $5. Because 4 and 1 is 5. I have a feeling I'm going to need change. I have a bunch of hundreds. This is not gonna work well. 6 and 12. $1 and 6 is vacation and $3. Woo wee. So don't have $1, so we put it 2. And then $3 goes into 12, which is the car. So that would make it 8. So we'll put 10. Is she gonna do this, y'all? Am I gonna make it through? Okay, number 2 is 7, which we're rounding. And so 2 and 3. So we got college gets $10. So college gets 10. And then number 3 is the trust attorney gets 10. Okay. All right. 5 and 8. A whammy. See, there we go. The whammies is what we need. Okay, so 8 is the cruise. All right, we're putting $25 in the cruise. I have the gratuity envelope right now. And then number 5 is health. Gets $3. There's a 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So we're putting 10. All right, 4 and 6. And a whammy. So 4 is the trust attorney. The trust attorney gets 7. So we're going to round, and so we'll put a 20. And then 6 is vacation. Yay! So vacation gets 25 because it gets a whammy. So that's 25 plus, let's take the 2 back and put 30. So the trust is college. Okay, so number 6, the trust. Number 2 is college. So the college gets $6. So we'll add a 10, so we'll put 20 into college. And then number 3 is the trust, which gets $5. So if we add 5, that would be 10. So we're at $50, so we can put this back and put a 50 in. We are going to figure this out. Yes, can she do it, guys? Can she do it? Yes, she can. Okay, so first I call number 7, which is taxes. And so it got $8, so we'll put 10 in. And then number 9 is a birthday, which we made it through all the birthdays this year so far. My husband and I did the math. We were like, okay, we got everybody covered. Now we're starting all over again for birthdays. Okay, sorry, that wasn't a good roll. So we got $1 and 8. So number 4 is the trust attorney. We'll give the trust attorney the $1. And so we'll put $2 in. And then number 8 is number 10, which is household. Household needs money. And so we are going to put $10. We're going to round it to $10. So household gets $10. That's a raggedy 10. Okay, scratching off. Here's another $1 and a whammy, whammy, whammy. Okay, number 2 is college gets $1. So college will put $2 in. And then number 8 is the cruise. All right, I love when a cruise gets money. So cruise gets 25. So 25 and 25 is $50. Go ahead, cruise, show out. You got $50. All right. By the way, this cool scratch off is S&C Budgets. It was a freebie. I don't know if they still have it, but you should check it out. Okay, so number 9 is birthday. And so birthday will get $5. And then number 12 is the car, which gets $3. And so I have a 2, so I can just put 15. Okay. All right, another whammy. All right, see, number 10 is household. Yes, household needs $25. So 25, so that would be 35. Let's just put 40 and take the 10 back. So household gets 40. And then number 8 is the cruise. The cruise is killing it. So the cruise will probably get $10. Yeah. All right. Okay, we got a 1 and an 8. 1 is $10 and another whammy. So 1 is vacation, gets $10. So that would be 50. No, 40. That would be 40. We are working this out. And then the whammy goes to number 1. Oh no, 1 I did vacation. Number 8, which is the cruise. Dang, the cruise is killing it. So let's put this 50 back and add 100. Okay. 5 and 10. So number 1 is vacation. So we'll put $5 in vacation. But we don't have 5. So let's take the 40 and put the 50 in vacation. And then number 12 is the car. The car needs some money because the car needs some work. And so we were putting $10. So that would be $25. All right. 7 and 9. Number 7 is taxes. I have not been putting money in taxes. And you know what? I'm just going to put $100 because I don't want to play around. And then number 9 is birthday. And so birthday, we could give it the $6. So 6 plus 15 is what? 20 something. So we'll put 22 in here for birthday. All right. $5 and a whammy. So 6 is vacation and 11 is taxes. But I could put another 100 into taxes. Because let's see, what's vacation been doing? It has 50, so put 5 into vacation. And then taxes, we'll take the 10 out at least. Put the 10 back in motion. So 200 to taxes. We got a 6 and a 9. So we got number 10, which is household. Whoops. Household is back here. Okay, so we're putting in 6. So we'll put in 10. And then number 9 is birthday. And we'll put in 10. So we got $32 in birthday. 1 and 11. So $3 and a whammy. So 11 is taxes and 1 is vacation. And I'm going to give the big money to vacation. I'm sorry. So we'll put the 50 back and grab the 100. And then taxes, we had scratched off for $3. So we'll put a 10 in for taxes. Okay. 12 and 9. So 12 is the car, and I'm going to put $100 into the car because I need to get the car serviced. So then let's put $10 into number 9, which is birthday. But we got a 10 here, so we can take the 10 out and put 20. Okay. And now 7. 7 got rolled twice, $10. So let's just put $20 in since it got hit twice. And then the last one is a whammy. So we put a whammy in both of these. So college gets a whammy, which now is $100. And number 2 and number 11, taxes. Oh, taxes, you ain't getting another $100. Daggone it. You just get 50. Okay. Now the rest of it, let's just roll to see where it goes. We don't need this help anymore. Okay, so we're just rolling. Who's getting 100? Dang it, taxes. Getting $100. All right. Number 4 is the trust attorney. The trust attorney is who needs all the money. So we're going to put 20 in there. And then number 6 is vacation. So we're going to put 20 in vacation. All right, number 7 again, we're not doing taxes, but we will put money in college. I am not putting money in taxes anymore. And it keeps coming up. So vacation gets $10. Number 3 is the trust attorney. Yes, gets $10. All right, really quick, let's see what everybody got. Sam's College got $142. And I will do another video where I show how much the college fund now has because I'm running out of time. So vacation got $135. $135 for vacation. Oh, the tax attorney got $82. The trust attorney. And I found the perfect trust attorney, and he's working on setting up our trust. Health only got $10. Taxes cleaned up, partially because I put all the money here to taxes. So we got 10, 20, 35, 37, 38. So $380 went to taxes. The cruise did not do bad. The cruise got $110. Birthday didn't do bad, got $42. Like I said, we have time for birthday. We can save now till the end of the year for birthday. Then household got $50. And then finally, the car got $125, which is good. Okay, that's it. Whew. Oh my goodness, sorry guys, I know I was rushing through it, but I knew I had a lot to cover. That money was money I had in a bunch of savings challenges, and I wanted to allocate it to all of my sinking funds so I can get the money to the bank. I shared with you my story of why I want to get the money to the bank. It's because we got an investment advisor. I'm encouraging you, go to your bank and just start talking to people. You don't have to tell them how much money you have or don't have. They don't know you may have money in other banks, right? They may look at your account and say, oh, she don't have much money. They don't know because you have other bank accounts. You let them know you have multiple bank accounts. You think about consolidating, but you want to know what services you offer. What can they do to help you, improve your financial situation? And there may be investment accounts they can help you set up. They may introduce you to some CDs that they have promotions going on. There's a numerous number of things that they could share with you. And I wanted you to just expand your portfolio. And so they may tell you, well, to open this account, you have to have $1,000. Okay, now you know you need $1,000. But you may have it sitting in your SoFi account, and it may be advantageous to move it. I don't know. That's why you want to seek a financial advisor, because they're going to give you that advice. They're going to give you information. So that's what I'm in the process of doing, is getting as much money as I can out of these envelopes and to the bank. And so when you come back, it'll be cash condensing time. I'm pulling the funds. That's all I have for now, guys. But I've got to get this money to the bank. I appreciate you being here. And if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to Budget for Success. Bye.